Good morning, friends. Duncan here. It's currently about 10 minutes after 6, and sunrise is in another 5 minutes. So I'm located in beautiful Beaufort, South Carolina, and trying to do a drone flight here this morning. As the sun gently rises above the horizon, its golden rays kiss the surface of the water, casting a magical glow that illuminated the city's storied past. Beaufort, South Carolina holds a tapestry of history woven through the fabric of time. From its early colonial roots to its pivotal role in the American Civil War and the Reconstruction era, this charming city has witnessed the ebb and flow of human triumphs and struggles. As the drone gracefully soars above the river, capturing the captivating beauty of Beaufort at sunrise, allow yourself to drift back in time. Imagine the distant echoes of footsteps that once traversed these streets, as the city's rich history comes alive before your eyes. In the 19th century, Beaufort became a pivotal point in the Civil War's dramatic narrative. Union forces, under the command of General Thomas W. Sherman, captured this Confederate town, making it one of the first Southern strongholds to fall. From that moment, Beaufort transformed into a Union-occupied haven, witnessing the arrival of soldiers and the waves of change that would shape its destiny. But amidst the chaos of war, Beaufort became a beacon of hope for those seeking liberation. Escaped slaves sought solace within its borders, finding refuge and a taste of newfound freedom. The Union Army's presence brought opportunities for education and social progress, with the establishment of the groundbreaking Penn School in 1862. Here, freed slaves were empowered through education and vocational training, creating a legacy of resilience and determination that endures to this day. As your drone glides over the water, capturing the morning light dancing upon the historic landmarks, you glimpse the traces of Beaufort's remarkable past. The Beaufort Arsenal stands as a testament to the city's military heritage, while St. Helena's Episcopal School echoes on the spiritual devotion that has resonated within its walls for centuries. The John Mark Verdier House, a regal antebellum mansion, whispers stories of wealth and prominence, regarding us of Beaufort's esteemed residents who once grazed these halls. As the Penn School Historic District, a hallowed ground of education and empowerment, beckons us to remember the resilience of those who fought for equality and opportunity. As the drone gently hovers above, the ethereal beauty of Beaufort at sunrise encapsulates the essence of its historical narrative. The interplay of light and shadows cast upon the river mirrors the city's journey, a dance between darkness and illumination, between past and present. So as you share these mesmerizing drone videos with the world, may the story of Beaufort unfold like a captivating chapter in the annals of history. Let each frame be a tribute to the remarkable spirit of a city that has weathered storms, overcome adversity, and emerged as a testament to the enduring power of human resilience and the pursuit of freedom.